the spray is beautiful. See that? Oh yeah. So it does have a long stem. I don't want to break the stem. I could have cut it off, but I don't want to, so I can repurpose it another time when I will need to use it. So what I'm going to do is bend it because I want this to have a dropping down. See, it's going to have a drop down. So the extra piece, I'm going to push that inwardly, and let's see here. Okay. Yeah. I want to be able to use the handle still. So now I'm gonna bend this, bend it. So one thing I'm noticing is that the tissue wrap is unfolding. Okay. So I'm bending that. This things you can move to whichever direction you choose to make it fuller. Okay. So here you can see this have an extra here. We definitely do not want that. So I'm gonna pour that inward so it can stay in place just like so. See, I don't need anything to attach it. It's gonna stay in place. It's not moving anywhere. This is fine like this. It's longer. That is okay because where I'm going to put it is going to be dropping down that way. So that is that. So here I have a runner. So this runner, I'm going to wrap this. I'm gonna wrap it around. Push that one again inside and use the leaf to cover that entry hole right there. Bring this in so it is intertwined and looking almost as one. Okay, you can turn the flower whichever direction you want them. Okay. Just spread those ones out, the spray, so it's not just only on one end. Okay, so that is that. So now that I have accomplished that, I definitely want to think about what do I need to do on the interior aspect of it. So for the interior space, I'm going to be using this candle, of course. So I have a piece of ribbon from another project that I did. So this ribbon fits exactly to the circumference of this candle. It's as if I have pre-measured it in the past. I'm not really sure now, but hey, it works. It fit the exact circumference. So we're going to use hot glue and affix that onto it, centering it in the middle, just like so. So we're creating a designer candle. So I have my hot glue here. Just going to put some beads. So light it. Now you have that. So this is the adjoining section here where both ends meet. So now we are going to cover up with this flower. So the flower does have a stem here. We use the scissors to pull that up. Trim that off so it is flat. I'm going to use this stem weave, apply this. So here is the leaf and it has the hole right here. So I'm going to apply some more glue here because I want to be able to push the petals of the flower down. Okay, just like so. Good. That's exactly how I want it, like that. So guys, imagination is everything when it comes to creativity. So I just cut off one of these leaves. So I'm going to be using that to enhance the applique on the candle. Stick that in there. Now you're talking, right? Look at that. Yeah. Here we have it. That's our designer candle, guys. I love it. So leave me a comment what you think about this designer candle. What do you think? Do you like the appeal, the effects? So now this is going to go into its new house. Just gonna put that in there, turn it around, angle it out, just like so. Here are some rocks I've used in the past. So it's not just plain. When the eye draws down to the bottom is not just bland. There's something to catch some interest at the bottom as well.